Nasa Pasig na kayo, nasa Pasig. Lose some calories. Kabisado mo ata.
Oh my God, no!
Hello. Okay. Sige na. Nasa PICC na kayo. Lake Michigan. Ano ba yan? Wala pang 1 minute. Yan. Compensate. 500 calories. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Paddle hard!
Dali, harder! Harder! You can do it! You can do it! Go!
Oh my God!
May bonus stage. Yeah, good job. Good job.
Oh my God, more? Alive!
Mas effective to kaysa sa treadmill.
Ayan po. They're currently losing calories right now. Row, row, row your boat. Let's go.
Oh, yung ranking eh.
Oh my God. 8.
Ang bilis niya.
Cheese. You got 8.